Hello and welcome to my video on Project 2 where we'll be coding AI algorithms in Python. To find the assignment, go to Assignments. And then go into Week 3. Here in Week 3, you'll see an earlier video. I'll update it with this one soon. And a list of downloadable links that you can will help you complete this project. First off, the goal of this project is to learn something about artificial intelligence, either search or games, constraints, or Bayesian belief networks. And while we're doing that, we'll also learn some Python on the side. Project 2 is very much like our Project 1 or Lab 0, where we would write some code to complete a function, and then we would run tests against that function. This project works the same way. So here I've created a list of instructions. So let's take a look at the instructions. So here we go. So first off, talk about leveling up our Python skills. And to get credit for this assignment, you don't have to get all the tests running. Every week we'll be submitting an update. And so every week I'd like you to report your progress. I'm sure some weeks will go better than others. And if they're going great, awesome. But if you're running into a brick wall and you're not making any progress, you can ask a good question. This is all laid out in the Python project rubric in the course resources section under content. So pick one of the topics below. And again, we have search, games, constraint satisfaction, or Bayesian belief networks to choose from. These are challenging projects and will challenge you in terms of AI and Python. So find some others who you can work with you can support them and they can support you. I'm going to try and support you guys, but it's also good to have someone who's been working on that project alongside you or working along on the same project with you to help. The idea is you can share ideas, implementation strategies, tools, techniques, resources. That's all great, but sharing code is not. And if you are relying on others' code, please cite it. So I really think that's largely it. Again, weekly submissions. Rely on your team for support, but don't share code and enjoy. This is a great project. I'm sure you'll learn a lot. I know I have on the ones I've worked on.